Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, check it out!
Check it out!
Alright, where are we going?
Burger King!
We went to Burger King!
Oh, itadakimasu.
Oh, itadakimasu. Alright guys, so we are doing a Burger King car mukbang today. Long story short, we're gonna do one thing, but then we ended up not doing it because they didn't actually have it at the Burger King, so we're gonna do something different. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's show them what we got. So, first thing, I got their chicken sandwich.
I got their cheeseburger.
So Jordan got a cheeseburger
Also a
kids
toy.
meal. Then we got some chicken nugs. And I got an Impossible Burger. Alright, so he got, oh, that's kind of cool. He got a toy, a cheeseburger, and, ooh, look at these french fries. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Oh.
Oh, word of the day.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, that looks good. There's pickles in here. Look how big those pickles are. The word of the day today is
Teacher.
teacher. Okay.
Japanese.
So in Japanese, it's
Sensei.
right. So in Japanese, it's
Sensei.
and in Korean, it's. Do you know how to say it?
선생님.
You're right. It's 선생님.
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 But people in Korea, like kids, like the slang term for it, they just say Sam. 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 Yeah, I know, it's weird. Alright, so that's what it is in our language. What is it in yours? Let us know, guys. Keep teaching, keep learning. We hope you guys learned. Alright, are you ready? Oh my gosh, he's already eating. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the chicken sandwich. Okay, so this thing is, first of all, it's like super heavy. You want to feel it? Feel it.
Nope.
Oh, okay. All right, whoa, oh my gosh, this thing's oily. All right, I better put this down. I'll put this down, I'll put yours over here. How's your burger?
Good.
Oh my, look at this. Okay, it's got a bunch of seasoning
Chicken
on here.
nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Oh man, look at this thing. Okay, so, because I'm going to be eating it, I got the spicy chicken sandwich.
It's spilling.
Oh, what's spilling? Oh, no, you spilled. Uh-oh. All right, so check this thing out, guys. Whoa. Do you guys see this? This is the spicy chicken sandwich. I got it with, look at this, Jordan. And I actually made it, you make it your own way, or you could have it your way. Have it your way. Oh, have it your way. I put tomatoes, lettuce, and onions on mine because I like a little veg. You want to try this? It's the spicy chicken sandwich. No? You can have chicken nuggets then. 잘 먹겠습니다.
I'll try it.
You do? Try a little piece right away.
Spicy?
A little bit. Try. Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Oh, good.
Oh,
All right, here we go.
drinks.
Oh, yeah, drinks. Let's do drinks before I start eating this. Okay. Okay, here's yours. Jordan got the milk because it comes with his kids' meal. And then I actually ordered a frozen Coke, but they didn't have a frozen Coke, or the frozen Coke was broken. So they got me a cherry frozen drink, but they also forgot my straw. How am I supposed to drink this? Oh my dear goodness gracious. Okay. Technically, I could just go back in for a straw, but
We already started the video.
yeah, we already started the video. All right, here you go.
But we don't need one.
Yeah, we don't need one. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just gonna pop the top. Oh, they can't even see you.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Good.
How is it? Good? Okay, that's not bad. It's actually not as sweet as I thought it was going to be either. I mean, it's still sweet, but not as sweet.
My milk's a little bit sweet.
It is? Okay. I'm like starving. Let's get this sandwich going. Okay, this thing is huge. This is probably the biggest chicken sandwich I've had so far. It's juicy, tender. Oh, brain freeze. Oh, that was mild. Oh. Juicy and tender. Oh, and it's got a little kick to it. But you know what? All the veggies are good. I like it.
A tomato's not a veggie. It's a fruit.
You're right.
Why isn't a tomato sweet?
It is sweet. I think so. Whoa. Okay, this chicken...
It's too sweet for me.
Is it? Oh, I see. So maybe that's why you should eat some more so you can get used to it. It's kind of spicy, Jordan. Try it right here. Try the chicken part.
It's not spicy.
No? Not spicy at all? Wow.
I like the chicken nuggets.
Okay, put the cap back on the milk. We do not want to spill milk. Where's your cap? No. 2 hands. Tighten it. Okay, okay. That's good, that's good. This is actually pretty good. Okay. Burger King, you're onto something. Whoa. Whoa. That's actually pretty good. Take a look at that chicken. Do you guys see that chicken in there? That's pretty good. You want to try another bite? Okay, Jordan's eating the spicy chicken sandwich.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, Burger King.
A little spicy.
It's got some heat.
Spicy to you?
It's got some heat. That's for sure. But
Because it says spicy.
you're right. You're right.
But you finished it.
I know, because that was actually really tasty.
Really, 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 really tasty.
It might be like super tasty because I put all the veggies in there. I like veggies in my hamburgers and chicken sandwiches. That might be wow, because it was super crunchy, super tender, juicy, had a little bit of spice to it, and overall that was a really good sandwich. That might be my favorite so far.
And the caramel box?
For a chicken sandwich.
Is it your best one?
It might be. That might be the best chicken sandwich so far that I've had. Did you know that? Yeah. Whoa. Can you pass me a bag? Jordan. We're gonna put the trash in here. Okay. You guys are doing something, Burger King. You guys are doing something. Hey.
I want these two one last.
Excuse you. You ate all the nuggets. I've only had one.
You get only one.
Oh my gosh.
You get two.
Those are my nuggets.
Mine.
Okay, then I'm going to take a bite of your burger.
Okay, that's okay.
Mmm. Whoa. What the? That burger's pretty good too. Dang, Burger King's stepping it up. Okay, so this is the Impossible Burger. Jordan, do you know why? Do you know why they call it the Impossible Burger? Because it's impossible that this is meat, but it isn't meat. Did you know that?
This?
I don't know what it is. But give it a try. Let me know if you can tell.
It tastes like meat.
It does taste like meat? Whoa. Okay, let me try. It does taste like meat. That's so surprising. Well, this lighting's getting really bad. Okay, I gotta lean in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Well, this burger's good too. I do have to say though, it's a lot of sauce. I mean, look at this. That is a lot of sauce. It's like a soup. Good soup. This is actually really good. But you guys, this is really good.
Impossible Burger.
Yeah. How did they get it to taste like meat so much?
What is it? Is it milk?
I don't know. I think it's like soy based. Kind of like tofu almost.
This is tofu. Chicken.
Hey, I can't see you.
Because it says chicken nugget.
You're right. Okay, we might have to change the car a little bit.
Yeah.
Because this lighting isn't working. Okay.
Let's change it.
Okay, I'm going to flip the car around real quick.
So you guys wait until we come.
Give us a minute. All right, that's a lot better. Sorry for the super harsh lighting. The sun came out of the clouds. Okay. Holy smokes. Okay, so overall, Impossible Burger truly is impossible. That thing is beef. They're lying to you. You ate your whole burger and you had like 6 chicken nuggets and you're eating fries and you're having some cherry.
I'm having milk.
Oh, we gotta go exercise.
We freeze.
Yeah, me too. I feel like that made it worse. People say that works. Ooh, that one was bad. Man, this thing gets you.
Then why are you drinking?
Oh yeah, it's pretty good though still. I'm pretty satisfied with that chicken burger. The only gripe that I have against it is it's like 1.5 times cost-wise as much as a Popeye sandwich. And you know what's really funny, Jordan? I'm comparing it to Popeye sandwich, and we parked right next to a Popeye sandwich. kind of funny. It's kind of funny that we parked right next to a Popeyes. And I could see it here. This one was like $6 for Burger King's chicken sandwich. And the Popeyes chicken sandwich is $4. So it's 1.5 times more. Is it worth it? That's a pretty big gap difference. Only, I mean, it's $1.50, but the thing is, or wait, no, it's a $2 difference. But I'd rather have, at that price, I think the value and the value plus the what you get. Is that what value is? Yeah. I would say the chicken sandwich is pretty good at Popeyes for being $3.99. How was your... How did you get my drink? What are you doing? Okay.
One more sip.
Okay, one more sip. Oh, gosh. What did you think about your kids' meal so far?
Super good. 10 out of 11.
10 out of 11? That's almost perfect.
10 out of 12.
That's getting worse.
10 out of 11.
It's getting better.
10 out of 10.
That means it's perfect. What's better, McDonald's or Burger King? What do you think is better?
McDonald's.
You still like McDonald's better?
McDonald's 100. 100. Something 100.
Okay. All right. But he still has a toy. Let's see what toy he got. Let's see what toy it is. What is that?
Oh, Yahoo!
What is it?
Yes.
What is it?
Yes.
What is it? It's Superman. But what does he do? Let's find out. Oh, secret compartment Superman. His head opens. It's like a Funko Pop, but the knockoff version of a Funko Pop. You drink all your milk. You ate almost all your fries. You had 6 chicken nuggets and a cheeseburger. This kid can eat.
That's it. Bye-bye.
CrunchBros!